In this video, I'll show you how to extend the ring time on your Android device. Keep in mind that the exact steps may vary slightly depending on your phone model and network provider. On most Android devices, the default ring time is around 15 seconds. After that, the call is automatically forwarded to voicemail. You can increase the ring duration in 5-second increments up to a maximum of 30 seconds. To change the ring time, open your phone's dialer and enter * 61 * 101 * followed by the number of seconds you want your phone to ring, 15, 20, 25, or 30, and then add the hash *. After entering the code, press the call button. Once the request is successful, a message will appear on your screen saying call forwarding registration was successful. Tap OK to confirm. If you'd like to check your current ring time settings, simply dial * 61 # and press call. And that's it. You've now successfully adjusted the ring time on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.